All right, everyone, we're going to now begin the activities in Unit 27 in your textbook. You should make sure that you read the materials in the textbook before you begin the activities. But right now, we're just going to go over the activities. So this begins on page 213, and what they want us to do is match the sentences with the final word on the right column. And they also want us to bolden the noun modifiers. So like this word biology, okay, which goes with major, right? Biology is a noun, right? Biology, you probably know, is the study of life. It's a noun, it's not an adjective, right? So that one is or has been bolded. And so we're putting the letter C on the left here because C is the part of the sentence that matches with number one. Number two says he likes to take long. Now, this word long is actually an adjective. They're calling that an adjective modifier. Okay, it's not a noun, right? It's not a person, place, thing, or idea. We can't say, I want to buy a long, right? Or I want to see a long. It's an adjective, right? So he likes to take long what? Well, that would probably go with this one, walks. That one right there. Let's do a couple more. We are listening to jazz. So here's the question: jazz, is that is it a noun or is it an adjective? And the answer to that one is it's actually a noun. So I'm going to bolden that one. Right? We can say, do you like jazz? Do you listen to jazz? So it's a noun. Okay, and we're listening to jazz. This one goes with probably music. Is that anywhere down here? Oh, maybe it's jazz band. In which case, I should have said a jazz. Oh, it is a jazz. Okay. All right, let me fix that real quick. There we go. A jazz band, and band is right here. It's F, so I'm going to put F right here. And let me do one more. They have similar. Similar means almost the same. I'm going to underline that one because it's an adjective. They have similar interests, so B. Okay, whoops, that's N. Now just be aware, I'm going to erase these, so make sure that you copy these so you can get credit for these ones, okay? And then you're going to do 5 through 10 on your own, okay? All right, part 2. It's called Man C. It says complete these conversations, use the words in parentheses in the correct word order. So person A says, how does he dress? He usually wears, and then in parentheses it says old N jacket leather. And it should be N old leather jacket. Okay, and hopefully you've already read about the order of adjectives. Okay, but you can see words like old or young, right? So describing the age comes before the material. Okay, let me do one more with you. So an old leather jacket, and then it says cotton black t-shirts. Cotton black t-shirts. And so for this one, let me erase this this line. And for this one, color comes before material. Okay. And number 3, I'm not going to write it, but you can figure it out. Okay. It's jeans and baggy. Okay. Baggy is the adjective, so that comes before the noun. So baggy jeans. Baggy means really loose fitting, too big. Okay. The opposite of tight. All right, let's go on to part 3, which is Jill's date. It says complete the sentences, use the words in the box. So Clara says, "So, Jill, how was your date?" She says, "Okay, we met at 11 o'clock in front of the," and the word is coffee shop. "I had blank, blank." Okay. They were blank. He just drank a glass of blank, blank. Okay, so let's see if we can get at least 3 and 4. So they met in front of the coffee shop. I had blank, blank. Um, hmm. So we've got the word pancakes. Could be delicious pancakes. Would that make sense? Because she says they. It's got to be plural, right? I don't see any other plural nouns. Oh, it could be blueberry pancakes. I think that makes more sense, actually. Do you know what blueberry pancakes are? Now you're going to be hungry. Come on, Uncle Google, show us blueberry pancakes. There they are. Let's see. Yeah, there they are. I think that's going to be the best answer because, again, she says they, so it's more than one. It could be delicious pancakes, but blueberry makes a lot more sense. And I bet you they're number 5. She's gonna say they were delicious. All right. So guess what? This is how nice I am. I did 3 of these for you. Blueberry. Say thank you. Come on, say it. I can't hear you. Pancakes. They were yum 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 delicious. All right. So you're gonna do the rest of these. These are a little bit tricky. You may need to use Google Translate, okay, or maybe even Google Images to figure these out, okay? All right, let's keep going on to part 4 with editing. It says correct this letter to advice. Is that how it says it? Oh, to advice she's an advice columnist, right? To advice columnist Dahlia. There are 7 mistakes, but the first mistake is already corrected. Please underline. Okay, so again, that's with Control U or the little icon right up here, the words you've corrected. So it says, "Dear Dahlia, my boyfriend Joe is wonderful. He's kind." Now, originally it said, "My boyfriend Joe is wonderful. He's a kind, honest, and intelligent." So we took out a. So he's kind, honest, and intelligent. He has an job good. What the heck? Okay, we can't say he has an job good, but we can say he has. All right, so I'm going to take out n, and I'm actually going to put the adjective good and then job. Underline right there. Control U. He has a good job. Oh, let me take out the word good there. Okay. And there you go. Find some more mistakes. And that is the assignment from the textbook. Good luck, everybody.